Hey, struggling to create viral content or crying into your coffee over failed online businesses? What if you could grab a done-for-you baking video pack, slap your name on it, and start banking profits by tomorrow? Oh, and it's cheaper than your last takeout order. Stick around, 'cause I'm spilling the beans. Pun intended. What's good, YouTube fam? It's Kamal from TestedApps.com, your go-to guy for making bank online with over 6 years of SEO and video marketing hustle. I've helped thousands turn clicks into cash, and today I'm breaking down BakeFlix, a game-changing video pack that's going to save you from content creation headaches and skyrocket your social media or online biz. Expect a no BS review, real benefits, and a sneaky bonus you'll want to grab. Let's dive in. Before we get cooking, I've got an exclusive bonus for you. Customizable Canva templates to make your BakeFlix videos pop like nobody's business. Grab 'em free with my link in the description, but only if you act fast. Don't sleep on this, folks. So what's BakeFlix? It's a massive bundle of 300 HD baking videos, 10 ebook recipes, and 300 recipe articles, all with commercial and resale rights. Think mouth-watering cakes, cookies, and pastries from around the world, ready to post on YouTube, TikTok, or your blog, or sell as your own product. This is for aspiring content creators, affiliate marketers, or anyone wanting to cash in on the evergreen baking niche without spending months filming or hiring sketchy freelancers. It's like getting a Michelin star chef to prep your content for pennies. Here's how BakeFlix gets you results in 3 stupidly simple steps. Step 1. Download the ready-to-go videos, ebooks, and articles. It's all done for you, no PhD required. Step 2. Rebrand it, slap your logo on it, or tweak it in Canva. It's easier than decorating a cupcake. Step 3. Upload to YouTube with affiliate links, sell it on Gumroad, or bundle it into a membership site. Boom, likes, views, and profits start rolling in. I mean, you're not hosting NASA's servers here. It's plug and play for anyone with a Wi-Fi connection. Why is BakeFlix a no-brainer? First, it saves you time. No filming, editing, or chasing unreliable content creators. These HD videos are ready to go viral. Second, it's versatile. You can learn to bake like a pro, grow a massive social media following, or sell the whole package for pure profit. Third, the commercial and resale rights mean you keep 100% of the cash when you sell it on Etsy, Warrior Plus, or your own store. Fourth, it's evergreen. People will always drool over baking content. And finally, it's affordable. More on that in a sec. This pack is like a golden ticket for anyone tired of grinding for pennies online. Let's talk money. The BakeFlix front end starts at $14 for the commercial license or $24 for resale rights. Compare that to hiring a videographer, $500 a pop for one video. Easy. Or stock video sites charging $20 per clip. That's $6,000 for 300 videos. BakeFlix gives you 300 videos, ebooks, and articles for a one-time payment, not some soul-crushing monthly subscription. It's like choosing a gourmet dessert over a stale gas station donut. Now the upgrades. The upsell is the extended pack for $37, more videos, different niches, and unrestricted PLR rights. Perfect if you want variety or plan to dominate multiple platforms. The OTO at $47 adds another batch of ready-to-upload cooking videos with PLR, plus a reseller toolkit. Grab this if you're serious about building a digital product empire. My advice? Start with the $24 resale rights for max profit potential, then snag the upsell if you want to scale fast. I tested BakeFlix myself, and holy cupcakes, it's legit. I rebranded a few videos, posted them on a new YouTube channel with some affiliate links, and got 5,000 views in a week. Plus, I sold a small bundle on Gumroad for $50 a pop. Pure profit in under an hour of work. The quality is top-notch, and the PLR license makes it a breeze to customize. This isn't just content, it's a business in a box. Real talk, BakeFlix isn't for everyone. If you're looking to custom recipes from scratch or need niche-specific content like vegan keto desserts, you'll need to tweak it yourself. It's also not for folks who hate taking action. Sorry, couch potatoes, this requires a tiny bit of hustle. Imagine this, a thriving YouTube channel with thousands of subscribers, or a digital store pumping out profits while you sip coffee. BakeFlix hands you the tools to make that real. No stress, no huge budget. But the 50% discount vanishes in 5 days, so don't wait till your dreams are as stale as week-old bread. Click the link below, grab BakeFlix now, and start building your online empire today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and drop a comment. What's your favorite baking video idea? Catch you in the next one, and keep hustling, fam. Don't burn the cookies.